Welcome back to SL Chennai Speaks Out. Are we attracting the best minds for the civil services in the country? This is our third round. It's called Bowl Out. Over to the two teams.
If I ask somebody who's not scored well, what do you think you will do? I am writing civil service. If there is a lot of students who haven't made it to even to a medical college or to engineering college, or he is not even made it to a law college. So what you are planning to do? I am going to write civil service.
Yes, and they can become, they pass, they can become health secretaries and law secretaries. Santosh Babu?
Not necessarily. See, what's the system looking for? The system is looking for a sprightly young man or woman who is able to deliver what the government policies are about. Now, there should be a system to test that. Now, if 10 lakh students coming in and necessarily you are getting some of the best only. Now, the advantage of writing the civil service examination, and for the people who are here also, is that even if you don't get into the cream of the civil service, you are still prepared yourself mentally for a tough gruel and get into any other system.
See, that's a spillover effect which you are actually not aiming at. I am talking about, I come from JNU, Jawaharlal Nehru University, where almost everybody used to write those days. I have seen some of the very, very scholarly students who worked hard, who had, I should say, the necessary brains, did not even make it to prelims, even 3 times, 4 times. Okay, given a choice, had they been given a choice to write the main exam, possibly they would have scored more than 50% which was necessary to get into IAS.
Let me just add some statistics. We have to see the kind of people who've been coming here. Let me give you one example from the Tamil Nadu services itself. Mr. T.V. Somanathan. Does anybody here know that he's a gold medalist in the Chartered Accountants exam? He's also an ACS, which means that he's got 2 professional qualifications. And after all this, he chose to become a civil servant. Now, time and again, going back to the time when I was recruited, almost 17, 18 years back, my batch of the Indian Revenue Service, we were about 120 strong, out of which 66 people were professionally qualified. There were 32 from the IIT, there were 11 students who had both an IIT BTech and IIM degree, from IIM Ahmedabad no less. So these are the minds which were attracted to the civil services. It's not about
that's precisely what I like to highlight. So even in my batch of 80 odd, there are more than 70 people who had a technical background, and all of them had art subject as optional. Most of them had only one subject from engineering or whatever subject they studied all that. We were talking about somebody having in-depth knowledge on the subject. They adopt a subject just before they write the exam. They're engineers, but they are capable of working hard.
Let me ask Santosh, did you write your all medical exam?
I didn't.
Or medical? Yes.
You don't take medicine as your optional subject.
that is proof of the best mind.
You take Tamil literature, which you never studied all your life.
Actually, ma'am is trying to provoke.
Santosh, Santosh,
in JNU, the new subject, this new language was introduced, ma'am.
So there's more of rote learning which is coming out.
Maithili, new language.
Can I respond to that?
Yes, please.
And to what Mr. Das has been saying.
You can respond to it, but my point is, it's when you have studied a particular subject for 15 years, 18 years, and then suddenly you take another subject for 3 months and you make in that subject.
You don't have confidence in your own self.
Strategic.
Please, exactly. That's the same thing I wanted to say.
You have to be very
Did
objective and strategic.
Did Somnath write his ACS papers in the
Chartered accountancy.
You wouldn't have served the society as a doctor.
He did commerce.
You said you wanted to serve society, so you joined this.
Your canvas is much bigger than the civil service. There's no doubt about it. No doctor can match that.
But maybe there was somebody else who denied him a seat because you got in and then finally you didn't become a doctor and you chose.
Let me just offer my view that it is proof of the best mind, that an intelligent mind is working, that he has chosen to do away with his subject. He may be absolutely thorough. Dr. Santosh here may be the best pediatrician, best author, but he didn't choose it because he knew that the chances of making it in his chosen subject may be low.
Absolutely.
And I make a deliberate choice. As he said, strategy. It is my deliberate choice. It's not that I'm afraid of taking a particular thing and I move over to an easy option.
Your strategy has taken precedence over your in-depth knowledge. A subject that you studied all your life, you feel suddenly that you are very intelligent, and all that you have done all your life has actually not been going to yield any results. And then your intelligence comes into play, and then your strategy comes in, and then you think that in 6 months' time, I can score in a subject which I have never studied all my life. The people who have taken Tamil literature, they have never studied Tamil literature. I dare not take in my Oriya literature. And there are people who have never studied something called agriculture,
actually,
anthropology. They take anthropology.
If I
No,
can,
but
if I
now,
can
now,
mildly
now
disagree.
UPSC is
If I
trying
can
to.
mildly disagree
You know
with
what they
that.
do?
No,
I'll tell
strongly
you what-
disagree. I don't want
tell
to
you
mildly
what-
disagree.
Trying to say
I'll
is-
tell you.
Mildly.
Listen,
He's afraid of Rajesh.
the people who even go to the interview as in people, you know, they have read the mind. You know, what he says, I fully agree with him. That you know, these guys are smart. They are street smart. They know that the interview board is going to ask, what are your hobbies? You know, so these guys have never had a hobby all their life. This particular officer is an IS officer in Maharashtra cadre today. He was my contemporary in the university. So he takes music. He has never heard music, never played music, and culture. And you know, he comes from a state which has no culture. And he takes this subject and he makes questions and prepares, and he decides the course of the interview. Finally, somebody in a normal course who would score, let's say, about 100 out of 250 in an interview board has scored 225. And these people sitting in the interview board have been taken for a ride. And he's smart. He's smart.
Crookedly intelligent. Crookedly intelligent.
He's smart because he knows if I put too many
Actually, this is
things.
very unfair on
No
the
wonder you
UPSC
can use the
board.
politicians
See,
well.
UPSC board people, people like Kutsya Gandhi madam and others, I think it will be an affront to all the senior officers who have seen the world and experience. Not to judge a person is very difficult. He can judge the person right away, straightforward. I mean, if they have made a misjudgment, I think there will be a very rare case, maybe 1 in 100.
Okay, now Santosh,
But
let me ask you a question.
Let me
There
just
is,
complete.
there is an interview board.
No, let me just complete.
Okay, let's
See,
see.
somebody who
One
has
minute,
done.
1 minute. I will
What-
not allow to complete. There is a board.
This is seniority taking over.
That is civil service.
Very uncivil.
The minute, see, I will not name the chairman of the interview boards. The minute that board is come, you hit the head on the wall. Oh God, I'm not going to make it. Who is your chairman? So and so. Oh, I'm making it. You know, there's so much of discrepancy,
Subjectivity
in
No, I would
you know,
agree
if
in a sense.
he is the chairman, the highest marks that particular person, or she is the chairman, the highest person that marks.
It's a question of
It
statistics.
is fixed.
Everybody goes to these boards. There are some 20, 25 boards, and there's a board which gives very high marks, there's a board which gives very low marks. But the people who score from boards and go into IAS or IPS or IRS,
Okay, now
it's
Santosh.
a statistical
I went to one of
probability.
See, minority
Toughest
should
boards.
also be allowed to talk.
Yeah,
I
see,
went
I'm
to one of the
minority.
toughest boards.
She's a senior most. She's a senior most officer, so she gets her turn to talk.
Senior most-
1977 batch. Yeah, please go
That
ahead,
is
ma'am.
why youngsters do not want to come. Seniority is not taken into consideration at all.
Yes, ma'am, your turn, ma'am.
See, now UPSC is trying to become examination reforms. Do you think it will attract the best minds?
No, ma'am, my suggestion to, if I were in a position to give so, is that you should be a multitasking, multi-talented personality. If music is there, something in music should be there, something in painting should be there. Today we get a lot of youngsters who are very good intellectually in their subject and good, etc. But if they are asked to come and sing a song, they can't. If they are asked to do something else, they can't. So actually, it will be great because you're a leader.
No, but I thought you
You're
had to
going
dance to the tunes of the politicians.
we do,
not singing.
See,
You have to dance well.
no, it's an added advantage.
The politicians.
The biggest problem in real life for a bureaucrat is the politician.
No,
How do you manage the
No,
politician?
No, we don't go back to
See,
politicians
I
time
have
and
put
again.
33 years
I
of service.
totally disagree
I
with
don't
that.
think I have ever been,
Nothing with
politically.
politics.
Are you
I
just
have
lucky,
suffered.
ma'am? Are you just lucky?
No.
No, not
no.
like that.
See,
Even before we go to a place, our reputation
Goes.
precedes.
Why is that
So-
many
so
officers then, before a change of guard, before elections, they quickly go on deputation? I know even police officers are in an unenviable spot. When they don't know who's going to
See, it's
become the
only
next chief minister, they put
coincidental.
bandobast, the
No,
convoy
Sanjay.
in both the houses.
You
It's
know
not like
the
that.
wrong
Coincident.
people. You know
In
the
Tamil
wrong
Nadu, they put the...
No, it's coincidental. Not
in
everybody.
wrong.
No, I know you well, so...
No. I'm an exception, not the
Please
rule.
don't generalize. See, please don't. See, suppose I'm there with the government. My boss would not be prepared to leave me, or the government would have said, no, you be here, afterwards we'll see. Once the government changes, they say, okay, now is my opportunity to escape. I want to go to central because my wife or husband, or maybe I have some attraction to the central, so I go there. It's coincidence, not that
simple as
just
that,
because
ma'am?
the government.
As simple as that?
As simple as that. As simple as that. Not
Why is that
everybody
officers who are in plumb force in
For
the...
example, I have
We
three
agree with
batchmates.
each other.
I have three batchmates who are. I have never been to Delhi. I had no cause to be to Delhi, even though my husband had every cause to run away from the state, but I never had. But still, we did not. We are.
Ma'am, why is that, for instance, whenever there's a change of guard, for instance, just give you an example, somebody who is, ADG vigilance of the TNEB, when there's a change of guard, will become the commissioner of police. That happens.
Part of the system.
So now, see,
Yeah, but let me just
I
say.
have 3 batchmates who always like to be in Delhi. The Tamil Nadu, they come to cool their heels.
That's because
So it doesn't
politicians, they
matter.
don't have such bitter rivalry in Delhi. I mean, like you do in Tamil
No,
Nadu.
no. Not every politician is a bad politician. Not every bureaucrat is a good bureaucrat. You know,
Officers don't crawl when they are asked to bend, ma'am.
see, this dumping of the people. See, I was posted as a commissioner of treasuries and accounts, where people say, okay, madam has been done, but I brought the treasuries.
You don't believe that there's a
department-
punishment posting, basically.
No, these
No
are not.
posting is
It
a
depends
No
upon your
postman.
attitude. If you
All
go-
right, all right.
yes.
The time now to slide into another short break on SL Chennai Speaks Out. But what do the civil service aspirants themselves feel? We'll feel their pulse in the next segment. Stay tuned.